Today we're going to be changing our stones out on our Harvest Grain Mill. For further assistance, please contact our customer service team here at NutriMill. For the stone replacement kit, or also known as the gluten-free kit, please make sure that you have all the components that are provided with it. These components include 2 corundum stones, an Allen wrench, a flour guide, and a new center screw and bar washer. For optional tools, if available to you, you can have a cloth to help take out the stones and a flathead screwdriver. This interchangeable stone set also comes with an instructional guide, so please pay close attention to that as we are going through this. First, ensure that the mill is turned off and unplugged from an electrical outlet and placed on a flat surface. Next, we're going to press the black release button down and twist the grain hopper counterclockwise to remove from the mill. Our next step is going to remove the top millstone and set aside. Please note that the top millstone will occasionally come off with the hopper. Simply just pull it off of the hopper and set aside. Next, we are going to take our included Allen wrench to turn the center screw clockwise while pressing counterclockwise on the bottom stone with our other hand to prevent stone from spinning. Please note that if you have a cloth, this will help with better grip when pressing the stone counterclockwise. When the bar and washer and center screw are loosened, please remove. Next, we are going to loosen the silicone liner by pulling firmly upward around the edge. Then grasp the liner on each side with both hands and pull upwards, removing the liner and the bottom millstone. Liner is intentionally very tight to provide an adequate seal. Pull strongly to release. Once the millstone has cleared the drive shaft and is completely loose, pull the liner up and back, removing the spout on the liner from the flour guide. Please note that the pin may still be in the bottom millstone or attached to the drive shaft. We would like for you to remove this small pin from the center stone or drive shaft and set aside for use with new stone. Now that everything is taken out, it's time to reassemble with our new stones. We're first going to insert our new silicone flour guide by placing it upside down and spout first, pushing into the flour outlet as far as possible. Then we are going to rotate the liner right side up, keeping the spout firmly on the flour outlet and press into place. Press the center of the liner down firmly around the motor shaft until sealed. Next, we are going to place the lower stone onto motor shaft with brush facing downward. Align empty pin slot on center of the millstone with the flat side of the motor shaft. Rotate the stone back and forth until the pin slot and flat side align. We are now going to insert that small pin into the center of the stone, ensuring that the flat side of the pin is facing the stone. Once the pin is inserted, we are going to place the bar washer over the hole in the millstone and insert the screw. With the Allen wrench that is provided, turn the screw counterclockwise until tight. Finally, we're going to set our upper millstone in place, aligning all tabs with the slots. You can now replace your hopper on the mill and click it into place clockwise, and your NutriMill Harvest is ready to begin use.